The intuitive graphical user interface, or GUI, is used to control all functions of Akribis Air engaging fully with the process. The GUI is used to control and display process conditions such as the plate speed, air jig downloading control, target plate shape, actual plate shape, and target material removal selection, as well as feedback values from the Bluetooth jig micrometer gauge. Users can operate the machine in manual mode, where each individual setting can be selected and controlled in real time. For advanced users, the graphical user interface can be used to build, save, and recall continuous multi-stage recipes, ensuring a high degree of process repeatability between operators. Akribis Air comes with an integrated vacuum pump and compressor pump to simplify user installation or for use as a backup to standard laboratory facilities. On the facilities panel, there are connections for DI water, standard water, nitrogen, CDA and vacuum, as well as an Ethernet connection to network the machine for data transfer. A USB connection is also available for quick and simple data transfer. The integrated vacuum trap helps protect the vacuum pump from the ingress of process fluids. All electronics are housed in an IP55 electrical enclosure for added protection from the ingress of lapping dust and fluid. Akribis Air comes with the option of either an AJ100 jig or AJ150 jig. The AJ100 jig can process wafers up to a diameter of 100 millimeters. The AJ150 jig can process wafers up to a diameter of 150 millimeters. The air jig is controlled using the graphical user interface. The download being applied to the wafer can be adjusted in real time, enabling dynamic loading to be used during the process. The air jig micrometer gauges connect to the front panel using a Bluetooth connection. The real-time data feedback is used to monitor real-time material removal and automatically stop the process at the target wafer thickness. The material removal can be plotted graphically in real time, and the collated data can be exported for further analysis. The air jigs are loaded on and off the process plate using the jig loading station. The jig loading arm automatically loads the air jig on and off the plate, removing any need for manual handling. Akribis Air comes with a 3.8-litre abrasive feed cylinder to facilitate long, uninterrupted process times. 2 peristaltic pumps are used for delivering abrasive slurry and colloidal polishing slurry. The peristaltic pumps ensure a high level of process control and repeatability. The lapping and polishing slurry delivery rate is continuously monitored using a diode laser sensor, which will automatically stop the process if no slurry is delivered to the plate. This gives added protection to the sample during processing and ensures the plate never runs dry. At the end of the polishing process, the plate can be flushed with deionized water to initially clean both the sample and the plate. Further in situ cleaning of the sample can take place using the integrated nitrogen and deionized water gun. An integrated slurry waste tray flush function is included to facilitate cleaning of the process waste from the slurry waste tray. A jig flush mechanism is also included to clean the vacuum system and the vacuum chuck face of the jig. The automatic plate flatness monitor continuously monitors and controls the lapping plate flatness to within 0.5 micron of the target and has a gauge feedback resolution and accuracy of 0.1 micron. The target plate flatness can be selected on the graphical user interface, and during the lapping process, the machine will automatically target the selected plate flatness and, once achieved, maintain the selected plate flatness. This minimizes machine downtime required for plate conditioning, as the plate shape is continuously monitored and maintained. Operators no longer have to manually check and adjust plate flatness because of the automatic plate flatness control function.